see what they're doing.
Yeah. Amazing, y'all. Amazing. Alright, y'all, I'm in Target. I'm making a quick run. I wasn't actually supposed to be in here, but I know Target has some decent price on produce. So in my cart over there, I got some carrot sticks. That's $1.79 tax. I got some cauliflower. I know my mom, she made a really good recipe of cauliflower, so I'm gonna try to fix me some cauliflower. I did get this lettuce right here, but I think I'm gonna exchange it, this lettuce, for just a lettuce head, because I feel like I'm gonna get more lettuce, and guess what, it's cheaper. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me see, I'm gonna try to get one that looks decent size. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, put the other one back. Okay. Oh. I mean, I'm single, so I don't need a lot. Oh, they have broccoli and this. Ooh. I think I'm just gonna get the cauliflower this time. Cucumber. It's a big cucumber. Let's see. They got different type of fruits and stuff here, y'all, but I'm not gonna get all that. How much are the navel oranges? Now, these some small oranges for $5. Well, I might as well go to Walmart. Should have bananas. Okay, bananas 25 cents each. That's a good price. Hold on. So you got the regular kind and you got the organic. I don't eat that many bananas. I'm gonna try to get one that looks a little bit more greener, but these are pretty much ready to eat. Let me see. Let's see. I might get these right here. Okay, y'all, I got 4 bananas because I know how I am. I don't want to waste no food. Bananas go bad real quick. What else they got? Next, I'm gonna try to find some crackers that I can eat. Yeah, I'm gonna get this oat milk. It's $4.29. I'm gonna get this. All right, put that in my cart. I'm not gonna get too much from Target. It'll pick up a few things. We got some ice cream. Some ice cream that I found. Let me see. $3.99. The sugar looking like. The sugar's not too good. 18. I need something. Birthday cake. Mint. Alright, it's coffee flavored, chocolate flavored. Let's see if it has any yeast in it. might get this. Expensive though. They also got non-dairy treats right here. Let's see. Oh, coconut. Oh, I might try this right here. This is good. How many? In 4 bars. I think I'm gonna try this one right here. Put this back. Non-dairy, made with almond milk. What's the sugar looking like? Ooh, sugar not too good. Okay. I had to turn the camera around on me, but I'm the type of person, I love to eat and I like flavor, and sometimes when you eat healthy, the flavor is not there, but I'm gonna try to work on some things, and I'm gonna try to work on some things and like experiment with recipes and stuff, how my mother does it. And I gotta get on ball, y'all, because I guess I gotta stop being lazy, because one day I am gonna be a wife and a mother, and I'm gonna have to like to cook and know how to cook, right? For myself and for my family. Y'all, this aisle, oh my God. But I'm strong, y'all, can fight it. Y'all, I want it to be enough for me to get some Doritos and some fries and some cookies and stuff, but I'm not gonna do it, y'all, because I gotta take my health seriously. So this will be my little snack. I gotta hurry up and get out of here. I feel this thing melting, y'all. Look at this. What in the world? I'm gonna have to get another one, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and head on out because I got some other errands to run. I need to go to Food Line and get me some meats. I'm gonna try to get me some turkey, some ground turkey. I need to get me some chicken, and I'm gonna try to get some stuff to make me a soup. So I'm gonna look online for some online recipes, but I'm also gonna ask my mother's input because she definitely knows how to cook, and we'll go from there. See y'all later. Bye. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna get these almond nut thins. I was gonna get Crunch Masters, but the sodium is pretty high. Sodium, I guess, is okay with this, but it's $3.79. Y'all, it is it is expensive to eat healthy. That's why a lot of people don't do it. And that's why Americans, you know, have a high obesity rate, because healthy food is not accessible to everyone. And you know, let's be honest, it don't taste that good either. Healthy food, some of it does, but I'm a person that likes to eat, y'all. So
during my professional career,
yeah, I really enjoy watching her show. She is absolutely amazing. So I am cooking. I cooked some roasted cauliflower, and I seared some chicken over the stove. Now I fixed some cauliflower, y'all, but I can't lie, I tore it up. So it's the cauliflower that you all seen me get from Target. It wasn't a lot anyway, but I cut it up, washed it off. I put some garlic pepper, garlic powder, some seasoning salt, and some pepper on it. And then this is my chicken, y'all. This is my chicken. Having a pot. I season it with onion powder, garlic. That's probably like a little bit of juice that needs to be drained. Onion powder, garlic powder, seasoning salt, and pepper. I don't know whether I'm gonna put this over a salad or whether I'm gonna try to do something with it, but I know I gotta get creative when it comes to chicken. I gotta get creative. I'll let y'all know what I do once I find out how I'm gonna jazz this up. All right, y'all, here's the healthy eating. All right, y'all, so this is what I'm gonna eat. This is my chicken that I cooked on the stove, and this is my roasted vegetables. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat it. I'm gonna fix my salad separately, y'all, but this is what I'm gonna eat today. I'm trying to go on this journey, y'all, this quest of healthy eating, living a healthier lifestyle. And to tell you the truth, I don't have a choice. It's based off of some of the health conditions that I have developed recently. It's a must that I eat healthy. I can still have a little fun every now and then, but a lot of my food, like processed food, foods like with a lot of yeast in it, and that's, you know, of course, the breads and the pastas, I love those. I gotta cut down on them. Of course, you know, processed meats, ice cream and stuff. So it is a change for me, y'all, but I am willing to make that change. I've been talking about my diet for a long time. I'm not one of those people that try to pretend like my diet is the best, because it just wasn't. I did the best I could. Well, no, I did. I know that I could have always done better. So I'm gonna be doing better, and I'm gonna unbox this Ninja Storm for you all. All right. Okay, y'all. All right. Okay, so the first thing I see this Master Prep Professional. What is this? Okay, it's just giving you directions. Looking dark. Okay, y'all, so the first thing I see is this right here, and of course has an owner's guide to it. It's getting a little dark in here, you all, so I don't know how the lighting looks. I have that, and I've already seen this booklet, because my mama, she opened up her Ninja Storm, but they have some really, this book has some really good recipes, and I can't wait to try it. And it has all kinds of recipes in here. I like the versatility of this. Like, it has a broccoli cheddar soup recipe and cilantro mayonnaise, mocha banana shake, smoothies, juices. I think it actually has, yeah, they have basic pie dough, y'all. What else they got? Apple butt, let's see, lemon bars, no bake mini cheesecake. You can make all kinds of things with this. I'm so grateful to my mother for buying this for me. She is the best. Right? All right, can y'all see that? Okay, so this is like the top that goes with it. The top. Yeah. Here's the processor. Can y'all see that? The processor. Let me bring this camera up. Processor. The processor. The top that goes with it. And then y'all see that? Last thing they have is this right here, y'all. The description. I do product reviews, but not on things like this. All right, y'all, so I think my mom is gonna do a product review on her channel, Evelyn H Vlogs, on the Ninja Storm. But I will see y'all in a few minutes, and I'm gonna wash this up, read the directions, and get my ingredients ready for you all. So next time you'll see me, y'all, we're gonna get ready to fix us a smoothie. or some type of delicious drink, I hope. All right, y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all my ingredients first. How this camera is positioned, I'm not able to show you all like the full view yet. I'm still working with this camera. I might have to get something to prop it up on, but I want to show y'all the ingredients, so I'm gonna turn my camera around. Okay, I have frozen bananas, vanilla extract. I have some silk oat milk, peanut butter, and I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, just a little bit of vanilla extract. This is, well, I actually ate a little piece of banana, but this is 2 cut up bananas. Of course, the bananas were medium sized. The bananas that I got from Target. And I'm going to use 2 cups of milk. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and put in, my ingredients. My bananas. Then I'm going to put in my milk. 2 cups of milk, which equals 16 ounces. I slipped from my hand there. Okay. That. And all right. Okay. Put that in the sink. Set it out. Now I'm gonna put my peanut butter in. Y'all, hope this tastes good. I hope this tastes good, y'all. Just want to try something different. Because I was craving a milkshake so bad. And I know I can't really eat dairy anymore. So I have to have like an alternative to dairy. Go ahead and put that in there. Might be a little bit more than a tablespoon, but that's fine. Okay. Put that in the sink. Rinse that off. All right. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of vanilla, just a little bit, just a teeny weeny bit. This is a 1/4 tablespoon. All right. Oh shoot. Okay. I'm not gonna be able to put all this in here. All right, that's enough. That's enough. Okay. Get this out the way. Go ahead and put the top back on. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, get started. Hopefully y'all can see that. All right, so it doesn't take a long time blending from what I saw, because I did look at some videos on YouTube of this product review, and then I read it doesn't take that long. So let's go ahead and do it. Oh. Let's see, I had it working. Okay. That's probably what it was. I had it working a few minutes ago, y'all. Let me see. Okay, there it go. Oh, I have crunchy peanut butter too, y'all, so. Okay. Take this off. Let's see what it look like. See if I like the consistency of it. Okay, it's just a little bit more blending. A few more seconds. With this thing, y'all have to absolutely make sure that it's on. It has to be in a certain, it has to fit a certain way. You have to make sure that it's on correctly, because if not, it's not gonna snap in, and it's just not gonna work. All right. Okay, I think that's more than enough. Okay, y'all. Look at me getting all excited. Take this off, put this to the side. The only thing I would say is just like, I wish there was a mechanism where you wouldn't have, where you don't have to take off like this part right here. All right, so this you can just pour it out. I have my little glass right here. Okay. Ooh, it's nice and cold. I'm glad I had those napkin here. I'm glad I had those bananas frozen, y'all. I'm gonna get to the table, y'all, and I'm gonna do a taste test. All right. See y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. So I have gotten to the table. I don't know how this is gonna taste, but wish me luck. I'm gonna pray over it. Lord, just please bless this drink so I won't harm any kind of way. I pray that it will be nourishment to my body. Your name be said. How it looks like thick, frothy. I don't know. Let's see, y'all. Let's see. Ooh. Wow. Y'all, I think I did an okay job. Now, with this, I'm not expecting it to be like really sweet, and that's okay. But the goal is for me to use as much natural sugar as I can. I feel like it's sweet enough. Y'all can fix it the way I did, or it tastes like a shake or a smoothie. I'm not used to drinking a lot of smoothies, y'all, so I don't really know the consistency of it that well, but you wouldn't think that a banana, oat milk, vanilla extract, what should I use? Peanut butter would taste good like this, but this tastes good. And I love crunchy peanut butter, so yeah, this is it. If y'all try this recipe, let me know what y'all think. I know some will probably be like, ooh, this needs to be more sweet or it needs to be banana, but to me, I think it's fine. Here's to like healthy living. You know, the other week I want a cookout shake, but I can't do cookout no more, y'all. I got to get on a healthy lifestyle, so this is an alternative. Cheers to healthiness. Ah! Somebody's getting a bath today. Bath time. Hey, you getting the bath today? Tell everyone that you're getting a bath today. Mama's washing her.
You wrote it.
Huh?
TikTok.
Hey, you getting a bath? You getting a bath? Wait. Hey, somebody getting a bath. Mama giving you a bath.
Yeah, he done shed a other something.
He shed a lot. Does he need that other comb? Does he need that metal comb? The one that will
I got the metacone over there, but
I think that's the comb that will get his second coat. Yeah. All right. See you later.
Y'all don't see that dog. That dog tried to run up the what do you call them things? Slide board. Boy, he's running up that slide board, slide right back there. Run up that slide board, slide right back there.
I seen that.
You seen that?
So you can tell the people that you're getting a bath next, Ollie. Y'all, it rained out here. I'm at my parents' home. I know Ollie has his ball. Ollie, show the people you got your ball. Y'all, in every video I feel like he does this. It rained today, that's why he got mud in his ball, but he loves this ball. Don't you, boo? Come on. Next, Ollie. Yes, I'm getting washed next. Look who's getting rinsed. Mama doing a good job, ain't she?
Probably want the whole rinse on. Probably too cold for him.
Yeah. Trying to get out this.
I'm not too good.
Mama's out too. I washed the dogs last time, so this is Jack's.
I get a lot of shedding.
Getting dried off now, y'all. Getting dried off. Good old bath. Mom, I got a good bath. Yeah. All right, that's it, y'all. He's gonna get rinsed. He's gonna get dried off now. Get dried off now. Look at him. Okay. Talk with y'all later. Look who's next, Ollie. We were surprised. We didn't know Ollie was gonna fit in this thing, did we, boy?
He ain't crazy about it though.
He ain't crazy about it. Look at Ollie. Ollie. Yeah. Ollie will definitely roll in some mud and dirt really quick and grass. He loves the outside a lot more than Jack does. I'm about to pour some water in that swimming pool over there, so when Mom gets ready to rinse him, she can go ahead and do that. All right. Does it need some more water, Mom?
Close the door. I think it's enough water.
Okay, y'all. So I'm about to see how this water feel.
As long as that bunny stays there, he see it, girl, he gonna take off.
Girl, I know. Y'all, we talk about a bunny that's been in my parents' yard for a while. Mom, this water is nice and warm. Nice and warm.
It's too hot. Put some little cool water in it.
No, it actually feels good. Feel it.
Yeah, just add some more in it.
Okay, you want me to add some cold water in it?
Yeah.
You want me to use this thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just pick it up and just see the one on the back there?
Yeah.
No, on the back, on the bottom.
On the back. Okay, this?
Yeah, put it down there. Don't, yeah, control it a little bit.
Okay.
A little bit, yeah.
Putting a little cold water in, y'all. Yeah, okay, that's good. All right, that's good.
Here.
Huh?
I got a thick undercoat.
Does he?
Yeah.
I was just talking about how Ollie got a big undercoat, y'all.
I said thick.
Thick undercoat. Look at Ollie's thick undercoat. Very thick. All right, Ollie's getting rinsed off. Hey. Mommy rinsing you off. That feels good, buddy.
You probably say no. You're cold, ain't it?
Yeah.
Invigorating the skin after having a warm bath.
Yeah. Got a little pause. All right, y'all. Ollie gonna finish getting rinsed off. Mommy gonna finish rinsing you off, buddy. Yeah. How do y'all do bath time with y'all pets? Especially in the summertime. I know we had to wait for the sun to go down because it was pretty hot today. And in the wintertime, we try to wash them inside in the utility room.
That bunny's still there.
Y'all, I gotta show y'all this bunny that's in my parents' yard. It's been here, what, how long, Mama?
I don't know, about 3-4 weeks.
About 3-4 weeks.
Making itself visible, making itself at home.
Yeah, making itself at home. Was he in the garden too?
Yeah, he's in the garden.
In the garden, y'all.
Once the dog see him, it's gonna be over with.
Mm-hmm.
He ain't seen him yet.
You get this big, nice bath, ain't you, boy? Ain't you good? Y'all, here's a little bunny. He or she, in their own little world, has no care in the world. Let me try to. Has no care. A little wild bunny. Mm-mm-mm.